We are now continuing the chapter heat and its effects. There are different types of thermometers. We have already seen Celsius scale thermometer and Fahrenheit scale thermometer. There are two more types of thermometers. Laboratory thermometer. Laboratory thermometer. Laboratory thermometer is different from the other thermometers. For example, if I draw the laboratory thermometer, suppose this is the laboratory thermometer. Okay. The laboratory thermometer is used for measuring the temperature in the laboratory. Its lower temperature is minus 10 degree Celsius. Minus 10 degree Celsius. And lower fixed point temperature is, or lower fixed point is minus 10 degree Celsius, and upper fixed point is 110 degree Celsius. Okay, minus 10 to 110 degree Celsius. This is the speciality of the laboratory thermometer. And laboratory thermometer has a small bend in the mercury line, mercury column. This is called the kink. K-I-N-K. Why it is given there? Yes, kink is given when we take the measurement. Okay, after taking the measurement, the mercury column will, there is a chance for going down, no? To the bulb. It is the bulb of the thermometer in which mercury is filled. After measuring the temperature of an object, okay, we will keep like this with the thermometer and we will see the reading here, whether it is in which line it is, the reading. The mercury column is there, mercury column. Okay, this is the mercury column. Okay, and when we take out that thermometer from the object or substance, the mercury column will remain here. Why it remain here for some time? Because of the kink. If kink is not there, the mercury column will go down faster. So if the kink is there, the mercury column will break in this kink, and the lower part will go down and the upper part will remain at the kink. The mercury column will remain for some time, so that we can see the mercury level very clearly. Otherwise, if the kink is not there, mercury column will go down to the bulb. We cannot read it exactly. So because of the kink, the mercury column will be broken here, and the mercury level can be easily observed and recorded. Okay, that is the advantage of kink. Kink is present in the laboratory thermometer. So what is the lowest lower fixed point? Minus 10 degrees Celsius, and upper fixed point is 110 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now there are some precautions to be followed while using the laboratory thermometer. We should wash before and after the use of the thermometer. After measuring the temperature of an object, the bulb should be washed, so that the temperature will go and come to the room temperature. Okay, after washing in the normal water, the thermometer will show the room temperature only. So before and after the use, we have to wash it. Handle with care, because it is very delicate. So we have to handle with care. Third one, should not be held by the bulb. We should not be held by the bulb. We have to hold the thermometer on the top, not in this bulb. So third one, should not be held by bulb. Now fourth one, should be kept upright, not tilted like this. Should be kept upright, not tilted. Now bulb should be, when we check the temperature of an object, the bulb should be completely immersed or surrounded the substance. Bulb should be completely surrounded the substance. Okay. Now the last one, the level of mercury should be same as the level of the eye. We should keep like this, not down or up. We have to keep the thermometer on the same position as the eye. So what are the precautions? We have to wash the thermometer before and after use of the laboratory thermometer. Now it should be handled with care, should not be held by bulb. Then keep upright, not tilted. Bulb should be surrounded in the substance in which we measure the temperature. Level of the mercury should be the same as the level of the eye. So what is the lower fixed point? Minus 10 degree and upper fixed point 110 degrees Celsius. Yes. Now we are coming to the next subtopic is clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer. What is clinical thermometer? Thermometer which we use to measure the temperature of the human body. The thermometer which is used to measure the temperature of the human body. If I draw a clinical thermometer, this is a clinical thermometer, okay? In this clinical thermometer, the lower fixed point is 35 degrees Celsius and upper fixed point is 45 degrees Celsius because human body temperature is 37. Normal human body temperature is 37. So in a clinical thermometer, we have the scale ranging from 35 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. Okay? Human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Now, if you consider this 35 degree Fahrenheit, it is 94 degree Fahrenheit. 45 degrees Celsius is equal to 108 degree Fahrenheit. 37 degree is equal to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So you see, in a clinical thermometer, there are two types of clinical thermometer. It can be a Celsius scale or Fahrenheit scale. If it is Celsius scale, the lower fixed point is 35 degrees Celsius and upper fixed point is 35 degrees Celsius. Why this very short range? Because the human temperature is only 37 degrees. Normal, healthy human temperature, 37 degrees. And if you say in Fahrenheit, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So 35 is equal to 94 degree Fahrenheit and 45 is equal to 108 degree Fahrenheit. 37 is equal to 98. So it is coming in between 94 and 108. 98. Okay? Right? So now what are the main points we have discussed? Laboratory thermometer, that is lower fixed point is minus 10 degrees Celsius and upper fixed point is 110 degrees Celsius. That is used for the laboratory purpose. And what are the precautions? Wash the thermometer before and after use, handle with care, should not be held by bulb, then keep upright, do not tilt, but should be surrounded the substance. Level of mercury should be same as the level of the eyes. Clinical thermometer, this lower fixed point is 35 degrees Celsius to upper fixed point of 45 degrees Celsius. And if you say 35 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit, it is 94 degree Fahrenheit and 45 is equal to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Human body temperature is 37 degree Celsius equal to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Thank you.